Is legal risk placement safe for foster care adoption? Imagine opening your home to a child who needs love and stability, but knowing that the legal situation might change. That's what legal risk placement, or foster to adopt, is all about. It's a process where a child who is not yet legally free for adoption is placed with a family that can both care for them and potentially adopt if the court terminates parental rights. But since the child's legal status isn't finalized, there's always a chance they might return to their birth family or be placed elsewhere. From a legal point of view, this process is carefully structured. Agencies and courts work together to make sure the child's best interests are at the center of every decision. Before a child is placed, legal professionals assess whether the birth parent's rights are likely to be terminated within a reasonable time. Prospective adoptive parents must give written consent, understanding that the child might not become their legal child in the end. Safety depends on several factors. First, the child's needs come first. Agencies provide families with detailed information about the child's background, health, and any risks involved. This openness helps families decide if they're ready for the challenges ahead. Second, families must be licensed foster parents and approved adoptive parents, which means they meet strict safety standards, have proper training, and a safe home environment. Legal risk placement can be very helpful. It allows children to stay in familiar surroundings and build attachments, which can make the transition to adoption smoother if it happens. It also shortens the time children spend in temporary placements, giving them more stability. For families, it offers a chance to adopt a child they've grown attached to, even if the legal process is still ongoing. But there are risks too. The biggest is that the child might not become legally free for adoption. If that happens, the child may have to leave the family's home, which can be emotionally tough for everyone involved. The legal process can also take months or even years, and outcomes depend on court decisions, birth parent actions, and the child's circumstances. Families should be ready for this uncertainty and stay in close contact with their agency and legal counsel. In the end, whether legal risk placement is safe depends on the specific case. It's safer when the agency provides thorough oversight, the family is well prepared, and everyone understands the legal process. Families should ask lots of questions, review all information carefully, and think about whether they can handle the possible outcomes. Understanding legal risk placement is key for anyone involved in foster care adoption. It offers a way to help children in need while navigating legal complexities. With good communication, proper support, and a clear understanding of the process, families can make this journey more manageable. It's a tool that can bring hope and stability, but only when used with care and awareness.